Hey guys, Scott Smith, Rusnack BMW. Shoot you a video today on the brand new BMW M6 Coupe. We've got this one in the black sapphire metallic. One thing that's really nice now is that the factory is now doing blackout 20-inch M wheels. So it's great. You don't have to look to do aftermarket or anything after the car's built. The factory's actually doing the wheels for us. Just a simple order will do in case you want it. Highest quality, done by the professionals. Check out the front of this car. LED full adaptive lights, that's in the executive package, which this car has. I'll go over that stuff in just a minute. But check out the front of this thing, man. Look at those, that thing just sucks in so much air. Look at those breathing ports down below. Nice kidney grills, the double ribbed. Now this car weighs 4255, curb weight in pounds. 0 to 60 is 4.1. I know some of the magazines have gotten it around 4 seconds. 560 horsepower, 500 foot-pounds of torque in the M6 Coupe. Let's do a little rev time. Wow, that is awesome. Woo! That definitely wants to wake you up, doesn't it? Awesome, Trish. Good job on that rev time.
How's it going? Hey, Scott, you've got to check out the inside of this car.
Cool. Let's see this.
All right, so the inside of this car, you have carbon fiber throughout the entire vehicle. You have this incredible dashboard with the Napa leather. What's really exclusive about this particular vehicle is that the leather dash goes down and connects to the center console.
What a nice touch.
So yeah, what's really great is it makes the driving experience really personal. So what BMW has done is they've really created just this exclusive area just for the driver over here.
It looks so nice. Over here on the door, at least we got the door open, so we got some sunshine on this carbon fiber. What about the sound system?
So you can see on the door there you have the custom Bang & Olufsen sound system, really exclusive to the M6. Also what's really great is you can see in the center here.
Nice center channel type of speaker, I guess you would say, that pops up, lets you know that it's on.
Yes, the sound quality is absolutely incredible.
And the navigation screen, how big is that?
It's over 10 inches.
Wow.
Yep.
So it's one of the biggest ones in the market for this class of car.
Yes, very good quality of graphics as well.
And the steering wheel, I know there's something signature about that.
You have your M6 signature steering wheel, double stitching with the very nice red and blue stitch colors. Of course, your M symbols throughout the entire vehicle. You have your M1 and M2 for customizable performance methods on this vehicle. Of course, voice command. Everything is right here centered on the steering wheel.
Nice. And then I know we've got a lot of controls down by the double clutch transmission, is that correct?
Of course, you have your steering wheel, your suspension, your driving, everything personalized for what you want to do on your particular drive.
Yeah, it's one thing I've heard about this car is it's a great daily driver, but then instantly you can turn it into a monster.
Yes, absolutely.
Cool. Now,
did you want to tell them about how great the blind spot detection is? You have all your driver assistant plus items here. Of course, this is your heads-up display button. You have lane departure warning, blind spot detection. It's really great. It will all vibrate the steering wheel when the car senses that you're going out of your lane or merging into someone in your blind spot.
And what do you think of the seats?
The seat is absolutely incredible. What's really great is you have a massager right here on your seat.
Awesome.
So for that added comfort. You also do have your 20-way customizable seat again on this vehicle. Very comfortable, hugging the body for that ultimate performance drive.
And then this one also has the ventilated seats, I think, too.
Yes, absolutely.
So you got the cooling.
Yep,
cool.
Seat warmers.
Great. And Trish, how tall are you?
I'm 5'9" without the heels, of course.
Cool. So yeah, let's check out. This is a 2+2 seating, guys. So there is only 4 seat belts.
You do have this great button here if you want to have people sit in the back. So you'll just click this one here. Moves the seat forward very fast, so you can accommodate passengers in the rear. You have the lever here that pulls forward.
Okay.
Really makes it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. Again, in the back seat you do have bucket seats. So
okay.
I'll go ahead and show how easy it is. Climb in the back. Then you're just going to pull this back here, and then again
move that seat back. Now
Very
put it, so
comfortable.
you have a couple inches of at least clearance
I
there, is
do,
that correct?
yes.
Looks like you have good headroom, so that's nice there. And then guys, you can see there's actually a lot of leg room up here too. You do have the signature dead pedal M series right there. Also the badge inside the door seal. And you got the contrast stitching on the seats too, so you got a little extra attitude. Cool, let's get Trish out of the back.
Again, the seats back here are bucket seats, so it's very, very comfortable.
There you go. Cool. Awesome, Trish. Thanks for your time today. Thanks for the information.
Of course, take care, guys. Bye.
Cool.
Have a good one.
Bye, see ya. All right, guys, let's check out the rest of the car. Oh, let me just unlock it real quick. This one's got the auto lock feature on, so car starts to drive, locks the doors for protection. Let's put that seat back a little bit for later on. Let's close it up. One thing about the coupe, guys, you got a huge trunk, which is great, tons of storage. Now, one thing about the M series cars, they come with real tires, high performance, not run flats, which have their own benefits on our other models. You can see you've just got a little bit of a tool kit here, and then there's your gel pack and stuff in case you do get a flat. Great storage, good height. You got to pass through there just in case. Let's close this up. As you can see, you do have a signature little spoiler actually on the back of the M6 here. That comes with it, that's standard. Right now the car is just idling, obviously, so you can hear the potential. It's like a sleeping monster. Also, check out that lower rear diffuser. I mean, BMW has just made sure every little piece of this car just looks beautiful. I can only imagine how many hours go into designing this ultimate driving machine. Got your M performance brakes, but look at those 20s. So nice. Let's check out the sticker. So you can see 2015 M6 Coupe. Also lets you know the balance on this car. It's less than 3% front to rear weight ratio, especially with a car that's over 4,200 pounds. You've got a wheelbase of, I think it's 112 inches. So it's nice and wide, spread out, good stability. You can see the different packages here. That executive package is really popular. Got your 20-inch M wheels. A lot of standard equipment, obviously, in an M6 with a base price of 111,000 US dollars. So there you go, 128 US dollars. Guys, great job on that M6 Grand Coupe video. I saw a lot of prices from all around the world, so it's amazing how much different there is cost-wise on these cars. There's your gas mileage, 14 and 20 with an average of 16, but like I've said before, who cares? It's an M6. Final assembly. Also, good old exclusive carbon fiber roof. Rigidity is amazing, also very lightweight, drops that center of gravity just another fraction of an inch. Help you out when you're taking those corners at high speeds. Look at the size of those brakes. I'll move back to the inside in just a second. I just love this body style. You know, one thing I wanted to show you too, guys, let me show you a different angle here. One thing I really noticed in these cars one day is you look at the roof and how wide it is or how narrow it is compared to the body. So look at where the roof ends and look at where the wheel is. So you really look at how wide the wheelbase is on this, that edge there, and then move back up and look over to where the roof is. So it's just the width from the bottom compared to the top. What a difference. Let's go inside the passenger side here. Whoops. Got it locked. That auto lock feature. Oh, one thing to show you. Really nice design on the Bang & Olufsen sound system too. I know a lot of the guys tint the windows, but it's really a nice touch. The materials they use, the design. Just go into the driver's seat right now. Let's go over the interior a little bit more, first person view. Soft closed doors, big gauges. As someone mentioned before, yeah, these do not have the digital dash yet, which we see in some of the other regular production 6 Series, 7 Series. So I know that'll definitely be coming out soon. But it really is an amazing design, I think, the way the cabin is here, where it really is designed, I think, for the driver. It's just an amazing cockpit they've put in this thing. And the seats are awesome. Yeah, you've got the cooling feature here, obviously heating, you know, down below. Also, what was nice too is BMW redesigned the memory button so you could actually see them from just looking down. Instead of pointing out, they point up, so it's easy to read. Got your massaging feature there for your lower extremities. Great storage in the armrest. Plug in your iPhone or Androids. A lot of the stuff is streaming now. Give you a shot over the shoulder, so you can see there. Through the rear view, got great visibility. Alright guys, let me give you another shot of the outside. Well, let's do a little, oh yeah. Let's see, do we have the efficiency? There's Sport Plus. Uh-oh. Never get tired of that sound, do we? I'm telling you, I love working for this company, man. These machines they build are just amazing. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you can, share it with your other media sources. Throw it to your other BMW enthusiasts. But yeah, if you got any other questions, just throw it down below. You got any ideas? I know there's a few other models I definitely need to put some more videos on. So hey, have a great one.